You do not have to worry about me. You do not have to worry about me. Never. Okay.
Put you on the private jet, take you around the sea-mo. I mean, I'm lost with you, come find me like I'm Nemo. Your last nigga left you in the cold where I don't peek cold, but baby, I'm a hero. Really shawty on the can like a Vivo.
Look at the cows. So I got a wig. I'm not happy about the price at all, but I'm really just hoping that the other wig turns up. I hope this wig quality turns out to be worth it, because I definitely paid $200 plus more than the original wig that I bought cost. Whatever, I'm blessed enough to have the money to replenish it without having to wait for, you know, a refund or something. I'm so irritated. I didn't record while I was in there, y'all, because it was a line of people, and honestly, I wasn't in the best of mood. I don't want that energy on camera for y'all. But yeah, I'm on the way to drop the hair off now, and then I'm gonna go get my nails done. Why not treat myself? Y'all, so I was about to pull up at the nail shop. Well, I was literally rolling past it, but I got hungry. Chicken, fries. I tried to get a blueberry slushie, but raspberry slushie, but they said they don't have no soda, no slushies, like nothing basically. So I had to get a mocha frappe, because you want me to drink water when I just paid $3 to $4 for this? Absolutely not. Y'all, the nail salon was packed, so I'm just gonna go home and wait until it's time to go to Six Flags. Maybe do some homework, relax a little bit. I've actually been in traffic more than I've been anywhere else, so I'm pretty tired of driving. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna go to the nail shop tomorrow. Change of plans. I'm at home now. I'm actually about to clean my car out. I told you I wasn't in my nails no more, so y'all already know that. But yeah, I'm about to clean my car out, vacuum it, wipe it down. Then by the time I'm done with that, it should be time to go. I was gonna relax, but like if I take a nap, waking up to go to Six Flags is gonna piss me off. So we're not gonna do that. And I do need to fill in my lashes, so probably do that when I'm done. I should have time to do that. Let's get to it. I'm gonna take this long sleeve shirt off though, because the sun is out and I'm not trying to, you know, be hot. Duh. Hey.
Hey, we made it.
Hey. Okay. Right, you guys, this is the surprise. Are you ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh no! No!
Sandy, you don't know what you did.
Take it.
It is crazy. As soon as that sun go down, we're gonna be.
Cheers!
Yay. Cheers! Mine isn't even open yet.
Me and G are splitting it because she's being a banana.
Some of us was up until cheers
5
for real.
a.m.
Cheers! Get in it, Aisha.
We was up till 5 a.m.
I think we got them at 6 if my records are correct.
I spilled.
Really?
Yeah, I went all over me. No,
Want a napkin?
No, it was just a little drip. It was a little dramatic.
5 a.m.? Yeah, I was watching for a little minute. I'm like, I don't think we're gonna make it Six Flags.
Girl, I was never missing this.
Yeah.
But if y'all was real hungover, it wouldn't have been no fun. You know what I mean? Like if you was like messed up.
Yeah, but I knew that by the time that we was going, like I could recover by then.
And just by the grace of fucking God. Like Jesus, I literally just wanted to sit on the bathroom floor.
But I was actually alright today. I lost my voice a little bit. But I was actually alright.
Yeah, that's the last good thing that we had together, so I won't say it was a bad one.
We are out the car.
Hey, on our way. Can you get this on?
Finna go to Six Flags. We're all excited. We haven't been in a long time.
You know, like,
It's crazy that we're going with 3 people though.
Yeah, it is.
that's like the fair.
But
Nobody like doing stuff
we
like that.
asked all of our friends and
All they want to do is drink.
some of them was working, some of them was scared, so but don't like rides, so
Versatile.
just us.
Okay?
Very versatile.
It is kind of hard to find friends that like roller coasters.
I didn't wear a night.
We are inside. Yeah. Let's get on. What ride we getting on first, y'all?
Yeah.
I just want to walk.
Y'all see him? The man with the shovel, he like did this right in front of that girl. She screamed. You didn't hear it? He's right there by the graveyard.
The underground.
Look at them. Yeah. Oh yes, I remember. Okay. We just finished our first ride. Woohoo! Aisha's all the way back there somewhere behind the family. We just finished our first ride. We can wait for
That was a good first one, though.
It was a good one. Very satisfied. We're waiting on you. How you feel?
Man, act like he want to water. They come in here. I feel crazy.
She was screaming.
That cut water.
She was screaming the whole time. And Jordan's feet couldn't touch the bottom of it. Like she's 4 feet. What the?
Oh shit, that's your fault.
Oh shit! I thought you was a scary person. They're supposed to be scaring us, but I ain't scared.
Oh hell man.
Say cheese. Hello. It's pretty scary. Hi. I'm like, it's like I see him, but I didn't expect that.
If I had to place my money on SixFlags, it would have been Aisha, but I'm glad it was you.
No, when I'm in scary haunted environments, I get really bright. Okay, that's the only way you don't be scared. And you act like, oh, this shit ain't scary. This shit ain't
No facts. Y'all, they going through it. This the light we needed.
Oh yeah, shit. That TV bright.
After this ride, we're getting food. And she's getting water. She needs it.
And food. She need to eat too.
We're almost here at the front.
What did I do?
When the car please exit
What
to
we
your
getting
left
on,
and
y'all?
down the exit ramp.
Here's the ride, y'all.
Y'all are going to the front. You want to go to the front?
I think I'm gonna try to record.
Spooky.
Gary! I don't know. I don't know.
Oh no, show what it's about to
Welcome
be.
back. When the car stops, watch your hands and knees.
Y'all, we gotta pee. We gotta pee.
We going now.
Welcome to Daredevil Dive. First, store
Okay,
all
bro.
loose articles, including bags, purses, keys, and phones. No items may be in the hands of riders.
Like, no,
Please
I get
move
myself
behind the
into.
yellow line. The gates in front of you are closing.
Y'all, they made me put my camera up. Look at my tear. That thing made me cry.
No, I cried too.
That was fun. Not cry, but like tear. Yeah, it came. That was fun.
Oh, what's your right eye? Left.
No, mine was my left. Actually, this
I guess
one.
whoever side was on the outside.
Oh yeah.
That was fun, y'all. That was us. The lady was like, "You gotta put that over there." I said, "Oh." I said, "Oh no, I'm gonna put it up. Don't even worry about
Wait,
it."
I heard you say I definitely would have dropped my camera.
Yes, when we went on the last little swerve thing, I know my camera would have said, "Whoop."
Yeah.
Like that was too crazy.
That's why I was like, I don't know.
It's too many loops. Like, look at that.
I'm sorry, but going up, I don't know.
The mission is the bathroom and food.
I don't know where the bathroom is.
I feel like every place should have one. Bathroom break.
Feel better now?
100% better. You good? You alive?
Hey.
We should take a boomerang in here. You know the vibes.
Uh-huh.
I can see that.
I wouldn't see it as a plus, but
I'm like, I can see that.
if I was
thought it
on a
was
date,
normal.
I probably would go to the bathroom and get that done.
Nah, I thought that shit was fun.
First date, probably.
I definitely done pulled that bitch out of time. I do it in public, but like, I usually look around like,
I thought it was completely normal.
we're going to the next one. It's smoke had a smell to it. We're going into Gotham City.
We cold.
It is cold.
I had chili. I had to sit up in there for a little while.
Gotham City.
What? A roach? This is actual scary.
A roach?
Yes, girl.
Oh, hell no. That's a real threat. That's a real threat. You gotta step on that.
Oh, hell no. Now I gotta look out for the damn roach. We is in Georgia.
I thought you had like a spider web or something.
A roach.
Now we gotta be scared of real threats out here, y'all. Y'all, we've been told 3 times that a ride is closed. And 2 out of 3 times, we've seen the ride working. People was on the ride, screaming for their life.
Is this where we go? I don't even want to get on this rickety ride.
I don't even know what it is.
It's this ride right here. I want to get on the one that we saw down there.
Where?
When we passed by. Up and down.
How you get to it? 2 hours later. We finally found the ride we was looking for. We see people on the ride.
Y'all see that train?
Oh Lord. Can we just
Excuse me? The boat was closing.
I actually don't want to be first. I'm a little nervous. They suck. We got turned around.
But this should have to be closing at 10.
It has to, that's why. Well, that's our 4th no in a row. I actually can't take any more no's. So, we're at the swings. We actually just peeped that we're in the wrong line. We are in the Flash Pass line, but they said we could get on, so hopefully they don't ask us to scan nothing and we okay. Y'all. Cheese. Okay, here we go. Y'all, the seatbelt is not clicking. I'm ready. One of the mini rides we got towed. Look at them. I'm talking to my camera. They say, oh, I'm talking to you. Going up. Sit back. I'm a little nervous. Oh hell no! I'm scared. It's freezing. This is actually torture. Oh my gosh. I don't like this. That was torture. I actually couldn't open my eyes for much of it. Look at my eyes. I was crying.
Yeah, I take back what I said.
You do not have to worry about me. You do not have to worry about me. Never again. Okay. Get me off this thing. Y'all, I had to say a prayer up there. I was terrified. No, I was scared as well. I had to say a prayer. I was like, God, just please. And I was like, it was gone. See ya.
Bye.
Let me turn this heat on, y'all, because it is cold. It's winter. Winter. Chicken dinner. Y'all, it's crazy traffic trying to get out of here. I'm going to focus on the road. And I will let you guys know when I make it home. It was a fun time. Just we didn't get a chance to go on many rides because the third ride we tried to go on, someone threw up on and it was broken down. And the next 3-4 rides after that, they weren't letting any more people on. So yeah, we just have to get here earlier next time, and I will dress warmer because it's that season. Bring out the winter coat and Ugg boots, baby. But yeah, let me focus on the road. Hey, good morning, you guys. I'm on the way to get my hair done. Today is Sunday. I went to church virtually, and I'm about to continue to listen to church on the way to my appointment. So I hope you guys are having a great day, or whatever time you're watching this, a blessed day, and yeah, you finna see your girl transform. Period. I do gotta get gas. Ay. Let me hurry up.
When you can lift it no more. And the problem with some of you is you've been a spotter for everybody else.
Gonna get this hair done. Hair's done. It came out so cute. The front of the hair is definitely way shorter than the rest of the bundles, but it's super cute. And it's so much traffic because it's Pride weekend. I didn't even know that, but